Morse code uses short and long signals. Sequences represent letters, numbers, and symbols. Morse code is an early form of digital communication. Simple, reliable, works in many conditions. No language needed, works across cultures. High error tolerance, works even in poor signal. Although modern communication technology has developed many new coding methods, still used in certain fields today. This case offers a beginner tutorial. Each English letter has different pronunciation combinations. Practice single signals and characters. Once ready, you can send messages.